Good morning, Panthers. I'm Zoe Cummings. Welcome to the morning announcements. Today is Monday, April 19th. Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please stand for our Panther Pledge. This pledge helps us remember to be safe, be respectful, and be an avid learner. As a Seminole Trails Panther, I will conduct myself at all times and in all places with honor and respect for myself, my classmates, my teachers, my school, and my community. Today's lunch menu is chicken patty sandwich, blueberry muffin, cucumber slices, assorted milk, and assorted fruit selections. Now here is Morgan for the weather.
Good morning, Panthers. I'm Morgan Calix for today's weather. It's a high of 84 degrees. Is currently 67 degrees with a low of 73 degrees with a 51% chance of rain. Tomorrow's high will be 84 degrees with a low of 73 degrees with a 35% chance of rain. I'm Morgan signing off. Remember, Panthers roar. We are ready for learning. We take ownership of our work. We have a positive attitude and we are respectful to our classmates, our teachers, and our staff.